Hi guys, Blue Butter here, back with another video. And today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get free Robux. I did not do it the video I was supposed to do, so I'm doing it now. So first you're gonna have to go to OP Rewards, if I can spell it. Okay, just go to OP Rewards. And then click OP Rewards, earn free game items and currency. And it's gonna look like this. And then you're gonna have to make an account if you don't already have an account. But I do, so I'm just gonna go into mine. Obviously my username is this. My YouTube name, and I'm not telling you my password because why would I? And guys, I'm not lying, I actually earned 109 Robux in the whole thing, but I earned a total of 118 Robux in total of everything. So you have to do these offers. I did 4 and I got 109. Actually, I did 2 to get that much. The bonus is 5, so that's how I got the extra 9. So what you want to do, make an account, hit earn points. My favorite sources to go to are source 2 and 5. And they're probably the best ones. So, yeah, go to source 2, which is my favorite. It might take a while to load. Okay, so it's going to tell you to do things. Wait, I can do this right now, maybe. Roblox is the largest social platform for play. We help power the imaginations of people around the world. Rewards after you register, download, play, launcher, and create your character, and play 3 times. I can't really do that because I don't want to make another account. But you guys can do it if you don't have Roblox already. There's also these other ones. I only do the ones on games because they're like the easiest. And guys, don't don't pay for them. Like the ones that say they give you a lot of points, but don't do the ones that you have to pay for, because those are the ones that just you're like basically trying to pay for Robux, which is not what you're trying to do. So I like to do videos. They barely give you anything, but yeah, they're still pretty good. And then these apps, like this. I did this one. I did this. It didn't work. Yeah, sometimes it doesn't work, so don't be surprised if it doesn't work. Just do it again. I did this. It worked. No, it didn't work. Yes, some of these don't work, but you can. Oh, I tried to do this, but it didn't work. I did attack the level 2 monster, and it didn't work. Just by the way, don't do it on a computer, because it's just going to take too long. Do it on your phone, tablet, whatever you have. It's not on a computer. It's not really that good. Unless you want it to take a long time, be my guest. So, why is there chicken? That's disgusting. So yeah, it's just a quick video on showing how to get free Robux. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah. Oh, first I want to show you my character. I made a new character. and I wanted to show you because my friend is so nice. He got me Robux. Thank you if you're watching. So this is my character. It's gonna pop up soon. It's this one I'm wearing, the Superman, because I got the Superman superhero package. And then I named this one, friend got me this. Let me just close these. Okay. It should be coming pretty soon. Wait, if I'm not wearing this, then what am I? Wait, yeah, I use this. Sometimes I like to use friend got me this or friend got me Robux because it looks cool. So yeah, thank you for watching and hope you have a great day.